pupuntahan namin. Malapit na po. Ilang sandali na lang.
Ready ka na.
You know what I'm saying? Happy. It's so nice to be
Hindi, ano
happy.
na?
Everybody should be happy. It's so nice to be happy.
Bin,
Happy. It's so nice to be happy. It's so nice to be happy. It's so nice to be happy. I wanna take into my world to be happy. 'Cause I can live without your love. Yes, you know. I've never needed anyone to be happy.
nandito kami ni Bon sa Anilaw.
Yes, you know. I was afraid to open my eyes. Don't even know how many tears that I cried. Now that I found the love of my life, I don't get down. Happy.
Hindi. Ikaw lang.
It's so nice to be happy.
Ikaw muna. Message si
Everybody
Len
should be
Len.
happy.
Okay. Wala kang magawa kundi manood lang sa kanilang dalawa. Sweet nila.
I've never been in love before, and I'm happy. 'Cause you're the one I'm looking for. Yes, you know. You bring the sunshine into
Ako
my
din!
life. Your lips are burning and the feeling is right. I can't believe it's true that you're mine. Don't let me down. Happy. It's so nice to be happy. Everybody should be happy. It's so nice to be happy. I just pray you'll never run away. Can't wait another day. Won't you try? Happy.
Hoy!
It's so nice to be happy.
Patungan na yan?
Everybody should be happy.
Buhangin.
It's so nice to be happy. Happy. It's so nice to be happy. It's so nice to be happy. It's so nice to be happy. Everybody should be happy.
Panapanahon ng pagkakataon, may babalik bang kahapon?
Pag ano? Oo, parang pag umikot, hindi halata. Ganyan ang expression sign.
Unang
O dyan, dito yan, pendant. Dito yan, pendant. Ganun. Yan, para magmukha ng malaki-malaki.
tinig ng mga bulaklak at laban, doon tayo nagsimula. Mga laman. Natatandaan mo pa ba? Lupit kong puso sa punong mangga, at ang inalay kong gumamela, magkahawak kamay sa dalampasigan, malayang tulad ng mga ibon, ang gunita ng ating kahapon. Ang mga puno't halaman ay kabiyak ng ating gunita. na panahon ng pagkakataon.